Yeah, greetings, guys. Welcome to Aseda Lotto. This is Lotto. Hey, Aseda. This is Aseda. Yeah, Aseda Sunday. Sunday Aseda. Okay, so let's try this move. Just a simple move from onboard. Okay, onboard machine. Event 142. You meet 58 at first box. It's a machine program. Okay, you meet 58 at first box. 32 at what? Fourth box. Then the following week you meet single 931 as too sure. 58 first, 32 fourth, then single 9 and what? 31 too sure, single 931 too sure. So today we are on this event single 9 single 6 54 46 42. So the single 9 repeated, okay, lapping itself like this, and what and play with what its counterpart. That's what single 9 and the 54. So that's the two shot I'll pick on the event. I'll pick the 42 too. The 42 too. I'll pick it. I'll show you a certain event. Okay, I'll show you a certain event right now. That's from onboard. This one is also from onboard. A different plan. It's also a machine program. Okay, you meet 33. Then the following week you meet single 9 31. They connected with what? Single 1 at what? First box machine. Okay. So you come to the current, you meet 33, then you meet what? Single 9 31, and they connected to a single 1 at what? Machine. Okay, so after that, this is the event. This is the event. Okay, so this event is what I'm going to use, but I'll because of a certain too short, I'll remove two numbers from it. Yeah, for us to make, if I'm having some too short just here. Okay, so I'll remove these two numbers from it. So I'll pick 41, 64, 39 on this event, and pick the rest of the numbers over here. Let me show you something. You see this event over here. You see the 32, 31, they are close numbers. On this event, we are seeing 42 at what? Last box, and then this one we are seeing 41 at what? Last box. So I'm picking a 41 and 42. It happens before, so they can drop that close number 41 42 today. Okay, the 64 drop and then repeated, so I'm going for it. This one also, the single 6 drop and then repeated, so I'm going for it. Okay, so this event and this event is what I'm going to pick. You can also do your picks. The 39 64 too is very good on this event, so I'll go for it in our best 10, but you can try it just to show it can play it, because 52 drop over here. The 52 is the key for this 39 64, or sometimes I drop it 39 46. Okay, so I'm using both the 64 and then the 46. Now the two shot that I'm talking about is what? Is this single 321. Single 321. Okay, this single 320, single 328. This single 328 is what? Is addition 31. So 31 used to play it. Okay, and they move with what? Single 1. So if the 31 drop and then single 1 came, or single 1 came, then the 31 this one single 1 came before 31 drop. Okay, but in some games the 31 will come before the single 1. So this one, you see the 31 drop with what? Single 9. If we are going up, then the single 1 came and drop it what? Single 328, which is what? Addition what? 31. Let's come to Lucky Tuesday 2023. Before it dropped that single 328, look at how the Lucky Tuesday did it. It dropped 32 with 58 machine, then drop what? 31. You see this one, single 1 came before the 31. Okay, so the following week then you meet what? The addition 31. That's what? Single 328, single 328. Okay, so in the current two, it dropped the 32 with a 58 machine. Then you see the 31 single 1 drop over here in machine, but it dropped it with a 31. Just because of this single 1 drop over there, that's why I said we should try the addition 28. That's what? Single 328. So after you see this one, the 31 drop, the single 1 and the 31, and it drop the single 328. So this one we are on this event, but I'll pick just these two show on this event. So it's the same thing that Aseda also did here, but I drop it in a certain way. It dropped the single 1 with what? With a single 328, and you see the single 1 also lock the event again. So single 328, maybe it may drop. Okay, so let's try it and see. Just a try. 50-50, single 328, single 954, 41, 42. These close numbers may drop. This is the best 6, best 10. Okay, try 53.64. I wish you good luck. Bye. And I'm writing Aseda today at 35% commission. 35% commission. The closing time, I'm using paper. Okay, I'm using paper to write, so I'm not using machine. But if you come after 5, then I'll use machine. If you come before 5, it's 35%. Yeah, if you come before 5 o'clock, it's 35%, because the paper I'll close early. Good luck.